If LibreOffice is giving you an error when exporting a file, or the export suddenly stopped working for no obvious reason, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it. We're going to cover the most common cause first, which is a broken font or image filter, and then we'll move on to the safer, deeper fix if the problem is happening in every file, even blank ones. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, if the export problem seems to happen only with one document, or only with a document that contains a certain font, image, or special object, the issue is often tied to that specific element. A quick workaround is to avoid the normal export path for the moment. Instead of going to File, then Export As PDF, use your operating system's built-in printer driver. To do this, click File, then Print. In the printer list, choose Print to PDF on Windows, or Microsoft Print to PDF if that's what your system shows. Then click Print and save the file when prompted. This method bypasses part of the normal export process, and in many cases, it gets your documents exported immediately, even when LibreOffice is acting up. If that works, you've confirmed the issue is likely related to a font, an image filter, or a document-specific setting rather than LibreOffice itself. Now, if the exporting error is happening across every single file, including completely blank documents, that usually points to a problem with your LibreOffice user profile. In other words, the local configuration folder may have suffered minor corruption. The good news is that this is often easy to fix without reinstalling the entire program. To do that, go to Help and choose Restart in Safe Mode. LibreOffice will relaunch with a clean temporary environment so you can test whether exporting works properly without your usual settings getting in the way. Once Safe Mode opens, try exporting the file again. If the export works flawlessly in Safe Mode, that's a very strong sign the issue is caused by a corrupted preference, cache, or extension in your normal profile. From there, you can choose to reset LibreOffice to factory settings, which is often the fastest fix if you want a fresh start. If you don't want to fully reset everything, you can also manually clear the application cache and related user profile data so LibreOffice rebuilds the damaged parts on its own. After that, restart LibreOffice normally and test the export again. In most cases, one of these two fixes will solve the problem and get your files exporting normally again. So to recap, if it's only one file, try the print to PDF workaround. If it happens in every file, boot into safe mode and reset the profile or clear the cache. That's usually enough to fix LibreOffice export errors without any complicated steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of the channel for more easy software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.